passport to ease travel out of the country and when visiting select tourism facilities within the country. Tourism and Wildlife Cabinet Secretary Najib Balala says the passport will be fully rolled out by the year 2022 and will add to the safeguard measures to allow the tourism industry safely reopen and operate optimally.
According to sector reports by the Ministry of Tourism, the hospitality industry has been severely impacted by the Covid-19 scourge, with the industry shedding more than 30% of its workforce. Further, businesses have been compelled to scale down their operations due to low or no business at all. The government has developed a tourism rescue plan to revive the battered industry.
We in the Ministry of Tourism are now consulting with the industry. We are working with McKinsey to develop what is the new vision for Kenya's tourism. And sometimes there are difficult decisions we have to make in transforming ourselves as a sector to survive all these shocks, and we move forward together.
Speaking during the launch of the tourism industry COVID-19 vaccination drive, players in the industry said the industry has too often bore the brunt of economic shocks in the country, hence the need for further drastic safety guards.
I think the reality is we are going to get a vaccination passport. That's the reality. Already we have seen IATA, European Union are working on such frameworks. It's like the former yellow fever vaccination card. So we will have a vaccination card for COVID. The vaccine passport will come, I think, in the 2022. Why is 2022? Is until we streamline the production lines of the vials and also the vaccination programs for the citizens.
Stakeholders say the vaccination drive is a move to help the industry safely reopen, with an initial vaccination of 5,000 for 5 most affected counties in the next 10 days, with a total of 50,000 vaccines in stock.
And we promise that this will continue smoothly uninterrupted for the next 10 days, and thereafter, as will be guided by the Ministry of Tourism and also the Ministry of Health.
The hospitality industry has so far seen about 80% of earnings wiped out due to the coronavirus pandemic.
Besides having the normal documentation when traveling abroad, including passports and other essential documents, you may now be required to use a vaccination passport to show that you've been vaccinated from COVID-19. This is the reality facing many Kenyans going forward in the coming months. Alan Auko, Channel 1 Business, Nairobi.